Hello YouTube, I'm also going to show you how to hot swap. I noticed in my other video that I did it way too fast. So what would you do is you would go into your game details on your dashboard and you would go get ready for play game. So what you would do, right, you would take your modded hard drive like that. Mine's named Kamikaze because it's on 8 speed downloaded, like the speed and stuff. So what you do is you pop open the top. This is with my case mod, by the way. You might have to take yours apart. Swap it, put it in, put the magnet on top, and right now it should be reading. Give it about, say, 10 seconds, right? And then you would go on your dashboard while you went in your settings and you press play game, and it should right now work, which mine is right now. I'll show you a video on what my mod does coming up next. Thank you, YouTube.